Hey guys, I'm up here in Hamilton, New Jersey. I came to the Jersey Bench to get my Django tuned up, and I am test driving a Terra Trike. I have yet to be on a tadpole trike. This is the first time. Oh man, this is awesome. This is just awesome. It's beautiful. This is just awesome. I don't have to worry about balance. I go as slow as I want up hills, don't have to worry about falling. Yeah, I gotta get me a trike. This is just a test drive and I'm already jealous of myself. I don't want to ride it too much. I might upset the owner of Jersey Bench. He seems really cool. Like I said, my Django's in the shop right now. I tried fixing it myself. I think I ended up making it a little bit worse. I figure, you know what? Bite the bullet, pay someone to do it. And it's given me the opportunity to test drive a TerraTrike. And it's one that's tall off the ground. We're coming up alongside a car, and I would actually be higher up than that driver. How sweet is that? So this is the trike I was riding. Terra Trike, all off the ground. You can see most of them kind of low. That $8,000 Scorpion over there, that's all off the ground too. Love to take it for a test drive, but I'm not going to take a trike that costs the same as a car out for a test drive, because I know even if I could afford it, I'd never buy it. But the Terra Trike, $2,800. Check out this guy's inventory. That one looks like it's all off the ground too, the cat trike. Villager. These are pretty nifty. Getting a tune-up, having the derailleur hanger straightened out, new tubes, new brake cable. So I just finished my quick little test drive. Seems to be shifting just fine. The brakes seem to be working pretty decent. One's a little loose. I need to tighten it up. Other than that, seems to be working pretty well. I'm going to take it for a longer ride tomorrow, and if there's any issues, I will report those.